super embarrassing. Just slipped and fell on my ass. Look, there's an open field. No one's in it. It's been raining for hours. Maybe no one's in it for a reason. I wish this was thoughts that occurred in my head. Instead, I'm like, open field, run, go. Purse, bag, shoes. This is perfect. Happy Sunday. Hi, welcome to my life. Hi, welcome to another episode of Girl with an Unwatched YouTube channel talking to herself on a low quality iPhone. Oh hey, didn't see you there. In this episode, girl with an unwatched YouTube channel and very low quality iPhone slips and eats shit in a large park on a Sunday morning in London. Please observe. Proper class, ladies and gentlemen. Proper class. Don't you just love London? Hi, excuse me, can we turn down the wind? Thank you so much. And this is beautiful. This is really glorious. What a day to be alive. I have obviously left New Zealand. Well, not obviously. I've left New Zealand. I'm no longer there. I am now living in London. What? I know, I'm equally as shocked as you are. Well, I am currently in London, United Kingdom, hence this lovely, beautiful weather we have here today on this Sunday morning. I have been living here the past month and a half. I don't know, what year is it? I have been working as a volunteer in exchange for free accommodation and food, and it has been lit. Dos, tres!
Yes, mate. Nice one, brother.
Music does take you into like
Lit. Oh my god. What's today? Oh my god, all the alcohol is getting to my brain. Today is February 16th. Oh, that was a close one. Today's February 16th. And it's really wild that it's been like 8 months now, I think. I'm not very good with math. Yikes, pray for me. So, thoughts, feelings, emotions. I've been traveling for 8 months now. I've been to India. I've been to Nepal. I lived and worked in New Zealand. I thought I was ready to go home at the 6-month mark. I'm like, you know what? We're ready. I went back to LA and I was like, oh my god, this is gotta go. So, yeah, I booked a one-way ticket to London. Oh my god. It doesn't feel like 8 months. Time truly does fly when you're having fun. And the past 8 months have been pretty woke. Honestly, what am I doing? Pouring. It's pouring outside. Oh my god. Help. I don't know how to London. It's a sad Los Angeles girl who doesn't know how to survive in the world. I'm very confused by the substance flying back from the sky right now. Anywho, oh my god, not again. I also think I caught coronavirus, but we're fine. It's been a good life. I've really lived it up the past 8 months, and I've gone pretty wild, so I think I've got my fill. If this is the end for me, it's okay. I started the trip really zen, man, like really zen. Like I got my yoga cert in India, and then I went to Nepal, and I stayed in a monastery with monks, learned about Buddhism and meditated, and I was just like, nama fucking stay. It was a peak. That was the peak of my zen career. Getting up at 5 a.m. every day, meditating, doing yoga. I was living. I was really living. I was on one. It was great. And then I went to New Zealand and I reversed all the good hard work I did, and I partied every weekend. I feel like it was actually equally as spiritual and in a different way. It was very spiritual over tequila shots every weekend at Cowboy or at Silent Disco. New Zealand was really amazing. Oh my god, it's happening. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. And I rock climbed and I hiked in nature, and it was just like the best, most fulfilling, energizing trip ever, and I loved New Zealand. Yeah, so I've been living in London, and it's actually been really cool. When people say they can't like travel because they can't afford it, there are so many ways to do it for free, and like I have been living here the past 2 months basically for free because of that. So yeah, there's so many ways to do it. I will get better at this whole like vlogging thing, I hope. New Year's resolutions, man, 2020, what's up? I've learned a lot in a different way about myself, like everything I've done and every environment I put myself in the past 8 months of life that has been totally different, out of my comfort zone, from every environment I was used to, has taught me something. I've learned so much, and from culture to people to just how big and beautiful the world is, and all of the ideas and inspiration that's out there. I am so motivated and excited and grateful to be alive. If you're watching this video, thank you for listening to me. But if you're watching this video and you're considering traveling, you've never really done it, Do it. It'll change your life. And I've really grown in so many ways. I hope. Like, life is so big and beautiful, and there's so many people, countries, cultures, and there's just so many opportunities out there and experiences to have, whether you're traveling or not. Like, the world and life is so big and so opportunistic. And I think when you stay open and receptive to the things that the world has to offer, life becomes really spontaneous and really magical and really just fucking cool. I don't know how else to put it. I'm gonna go back to LA, but first, finishing up my time in London, and then I'm going to Germany and I'm going to Sweden, and I'm really excited because I've never been to either of those countries before, so it'll be cool to take those off. And I'm headed back to Los Angeles. Well, it'll be good, hopefully. It's terrible, I'll probably book another one-way ticket somewhere else in the world.